The next thing we're going to look at is the standard filleting technique, which works for walleye, bass, perch, crappie, and other panfish. Because this technique represents the foundation for filleting any type of fish, we're going to look at it a few times, starting with the most popular eating fish, walleye.
When you have a toothy critter like a walleye here, I strongly recommend the glove. We have these spines on the back that are like needles, sharp teeth, and we add a sharp knife to the equation. This glove is made out of Kevlar. It's a Rapala product. Same thing they make bulletproof vests out of. Although it's not puncture proof, it is cut proof. So if you do make a slip, it's not going to cut your hand. So when cleaning the walleyes, I'm going to show you a simple technique with as least mess as possible, and I'll show you a couple tricks to go with it. Where the skull ends and the flesh starts is a single cut all the way down past that front fin and past those other two, so straight through like so. For that, I'm using this section of the knife, rounded end. It's a straight cut. Now what I'm going to do is take the fish. So I'm going to insert the knife about an inch. That's all I'm sticking it in. It's that far. And I'm running down the side of that dorsal fin. Once I'm past that dorsal fin, I know I'm past the rib cage. I push the knife all the way through, use down pressure on the backbone all the way out to the tail. I'm going to show you the same moves on the other side. Behind both fins, diagonal cut up to there. Going to use the tip of the knife, only sticking it in an inch, past that dorsal fin, all the way through, out to the tail. Now what I'm going to do is make shallow cuts, nice, straight, using this section of the knife, nice gradual cuts. Nice gradual strokes with the knife. Knife is going to take the path of least resistance. When it hits a rib, if you push hard, it'll cut through the rib. If you just let the knife take its natural course, it'll go around the ribs. You're left with that nice fillet, just like so. I'm going to show you that again on the other side. Straight, sweeping motion, very, very effortless. Nice gliding strokes, removes the fillet, just like so. One thing before you throw the carcass away, two good pieces of meat on a walleye. You have these cheeks right here. This is where the glove comes in really handy. They're a little slippery, but a nice little morsel of flesh like a little scallop. I take that out and give the glove a little turn and just cut it off. The cheek's very good to eat. Do the same on the other side. Bottom side, you feel down pressure on the jawbone. You make that circular move. It's like a giant reverse C. Get your finger under there with the glove, give it a little twist, and just cut out the last little bit. Again, just a morsel of meat. Put this off to the side. Before this hits the frying pan, I'm going to show you how to skin it out. Again, the glove comes in handy. Get a hold of that there. Nice, gradual, separate the flesh. What I do typically when I'm on a charter is I will leave a chunk of skin for identification. If you're traveling, that's the way the Ministry of Natural Resources wants it. When you get it home, just pull off that tag end, and then it's almost ready for the table. The other thing I'm going to show you here, walleyes in particular have a very pronounced lateral line down the center. It's that discolored section of meat there, that little pink section there. What I'm going to show you real quick is a neat way to take out that last set of pin bones in a walleye, and also any bit of fishy taste that the walleye is going to have. If you remove that, the fish is going to taste that much better. So what I've done is I just make a cut on either side of that lateral line. I call this zipper in the walleye. Just pull it off like so. That lateral line is completely out and the pin bones are out as well. So you're left with two nice pieces of flesh. I'm going to show you that one more time here. Again, nice sharp knife. Get the angle on it. Right out to the end. Leave the tag on if you're taking it home or traveling.